Optimize living spaces. Creating functional, stylish, and versatile living spaces is a great way to boost your home's value. Start by removing clutter to make rooms feel more spacious and organized. Buyers want to see potential, and that means presenting a blank canvas where they can imagine their furniture and lifestyle. A fresh coat of paint in neutral tones like soft gray or beige can make your spaces feel clean and updated. Neutral colors also help buyers visualize their decor blending seamlessly into the space. Rearranging furniture to create clear pathways and open layouts is another simple yet effective tactic. Adding thoughtful touches to each room like a cozy reading nook or a sleek home office corner can highlight your home's versatility. Many buyers are looking for multifunctional spaces that adapt to their needs, so consider staging rooms with this in mind. For example, a guest bedroom could double as a home gym or study area. Lighting plays a huge role in how your home is perceived. Natural light is always a plus, so make sure windows are clean and curtains are pulled back. Layering lighting with overhead fixtures, floor lamps, and accent lighting creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. These small adjustments can completely transform the feel of your living spaces.